Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the XLOOKUP function in Excel to search for items either starting with a specific word or containing a part of a word. We'll use 10 sample values in a table. Column A lists drinks like apple juice and mango shake. Column B is where we type our search word, and column C shows the prices. Now, let's say we want to find the first item that starts with the text typed in cell B2. For that, we use this formula. This formula tells Excel to search in column A for any item that begins with what's written in B2. The asterisk at the end is a wildcard, which means any characters after this text. If B2 has the word app, the formula will match apple juice and return the price, which is $2. Now let's try a different example. What if we want to find an item that contains the text, even if it's not at the beginning? For that, we use a slightly different formula. In this case, the asterisk is added before and after the search word. This tells Excel to look for any item that has that word anywhere inside it. So, if B2 has PLE, the formula will still match apple juice because it contains PLE in the middle, and again, it will return the price $2. I hope this was easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks.